Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can connect your MetaMask with OpenSea. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on. First step, what you want to do is open OpenSea. Once you open OpenSea, it's gonna open up like this. Now remember, make sure you have already logged in into your MetaMask account like I have did over here. So let me just face verify myself, log in into my account. So make sure you have already logged in into your MetaMask account, alright? And if you guys have done that, then it's gonna be easy. Otherwise, it's gonna be a little bit hard. So I would suggest you to download the MetaMask app, go into the app and log in into your MetaMask account, alright? After you do that, come to OpenSea. Now once you're in OpenSea, over here at the bottom, you can see the little profile icon. You want to click on versus profile, and over here you can see versus MetaMask, alright? So you want to click on MetaMask. Once you click on MetaMask, wait for some time and your MetaMask app will open up over here. Once your MetaMask app opens up, wait for some time. It's gonna take a bit of time, but it should connect, alright? Once you do that in your MetaMask wallet, this thing will pop up. Over here, you need to click on connect. Once you click on connect, it's gonna say logged in successfully, and you have done it. You have basically connected your MetaMask to OpenSea. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye.